Hi everyone, Stacy Whiter here on behalf of Campus Mortgage with part 3 of a 3-part video series on Fannie Mae's HomeStyle renovation loan. Now just a quick reminder before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice or used in place of Fannie Mae guidelines. Also, this video was issued on September 12, 2017, and the information contained in this video is subject to change without notice. So let's continue on with the guidelines of the HomeStyle renovation loan. LTV guidelines, let's go a little bit deeper. For a 1-unit primary residence, the max LTV for a fixed rate mortgage is going to be 95%, 90% for an ARM. For a 2-unit primary, it's going to be 85% LTV max for fixed rate and 75% for ARM. And from there on, you can see that the LTV is restricted based on the property type. So a 3 to 4 unit is going to be 75% max LTV, and a secondary property is going to be 90%, and an investment property is 85%. The Fannie Mae HomeStyle renovation loan does require the borrower to use a contractor, and they have some specific contractor guidelines. The borrower must select their own contractor. So what that means is the borrower cannot ask you as the lender to provide them with an already approved contractor. Way too many legal ramifications there. So the borrower must select their own contractor, and the lender must go through an approval process. Usually it requires the contractor to fill out sort of kind of a short information or application sheet, but the lender needs to make sure that the contractor is capable, is licensed, insured, all of those things that would be required per state guidelines. There must be an executed contract between the borrower and the contractor for the work, and plans and specifications must be prepared by a qualified individual, so an architect, a contractor, whoever, and it must include start dates and completion dates. Now, we mentioned earlier do-it-yourself guidelines. So in some cases, Fannie Mae will allow the borrower to do some of the work themselves, but it's maxed at 10% of the as-completed value. And it must be a 1-unit owner-occupied property. And reimbursement is limited to the cost of materials. So that means that the borrower is not going to be reimbursed for their time or their sweat equity. So they're only going to be reimbursed for the materials. Whereas a contractor, it's different. It's going to include labor and materials. And very important, all of the work must be completed within 12 months of the loan being delivered to Fannie Mae. All right, everyone, that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. For more tips and videos, please visit campusmortgage.org and look for their weekly mortgage video tips designed for all mortgage professionals, including underwriters, processors, loan officers, closers, post-closers. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.